हेलो एवरीबॉडी। इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे गोवा पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के द्वारा जो कॉलेज डायरेक्टर फिजिकल एजुकेशन रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए जो एग्ज़ाम लिया गया कंप्यूटर बेस्ड, उसमें जो 75 क्वेश्चन उन्होंने मेंशन किए थे उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, क्वेश्चन विद देयर आंसर की। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। The component of food which is present in sugar is A. Protein, B. Carbohydrates, C. Fats, D. Vitamins, E. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Carbohydrates. Question number 2. What is a major attribute of correlation analysis? A. Association among variables, B. Difference among variables, C. Regression among variables, D. Variations among variables, E. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Association among variables. Question number 3. Given below are two statements, one labeled A, assertion A, and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Physical education is an art and science. Reason: performing gymnastic activities has an aesthetic and creative value. In the context of the above statement, which one of the following is correct? A. Both A and R are right. R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are right, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is right, but R is wrong. D. A is wrong, but R is right. E. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Both A and R are right, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 4. Research used for studying practical problem and finding a solution to it is A. Basic research, B. Applied research, C. Experimental research, D. Evaluation research, E. None of the above. Right answer is B. Applied research. Question number 5. Which of the following is the best definition of physiology? A. The microscopic study of tissues and cells. B. The study of how the body works. C. All the chemical processes that take place in the organelles of cells. D. The body's automatic tendency to maintain a relatively constant internal environment. E. None of the above. Right answer is B. The study of how the body works. Question number 6. Which method of research investigates likelihood of a relationship between two variables and identify associations rather than cause and effects? A. Experimental design, B. Survey, C. Case studies, D. Correlation studies, E. None of the above. Correct answer is D. Correlation studies. Question number 7. Which of the following is responsible for limiting the range of movement of joints? A. Tendons, B. Ligaments, C. Both A and B, D. Muscle fibers, E. None of the above. Right answer is B. Ligaments. Question number 8. Getting the right facts to the right people at the right time in the right way is called A. Game management, B. Public relations in sports, C. Motivation for sports, D. Leadership in sports, E. None of the above. Right answer is public relations in sports. Question number 9. Which hormone plays an important role in fight or flight response in the body? A. Adrenaline, B. noradrenaline, C. growth hormone, D. glycogen, C. none of the above. Right answer is A. Adrenaline. Question number 10. Where is Kundalini energy located in human body? A. the base of the brain, B. the breath, C. the consciousness, D. the base of the spine, E. none of the above. Right answer is D. the base of the spine. Question number 11. In the research report, preliminary matters include A. title page acknowledgement appendixes, B. references title page acknowledgement, C. title page acknowledgement table of contents, D. table of contents references title page, E. none of the above. Right answer is C. title page acknowledgement table of contents. Question number 12. What are the yamas? A. the holy scriptures of yoga, B. moral ethical rules or goals, C. psychic powers, D. religious practices, E. none of the above. Right answer is B. moral and ethical rules or goals. Question number 13. The part of the nervous system responsible for rest and digest response in the body is A. parasympathetic nervous system, sympathetic nervous system, central nervous system, D. autonomic nervous system, E. none of the above. Right answer is A. parasympathetic nervous system. Question number 14. During abduction movement, the arms moves A. towards the body, B. away from the body, C. in front of the body, D. remains firm and straight, E. none of the above. Right answer is B. away from the body. Question number 15. Increase in muscle mass due to heavy weight training is called A. bruise, B. muscle atrophy, C. hematoma, D. muscular hypertrophy, E. none of the above. Right answer is D. muscular hypertrophy. Question number 16. Which type of contraction occurs when the force of the muscle is less than the resistance? A. concentric, B. eccentric, C. symmetric, D. isokinetic, E. none of the above. Right answer is B. eccentric. Question number 17. The number of individuals selected in a sample is called, it is A. sampling number, B. quantity, C. sample size, D. sample distribution, E. none of the above. Right answer is C. sample size. Question number 18. Professional preparation of physical education teacher is governed by A. UGC, B. AICTE, C. NCTE, D. NNAC, that is NAC, E. none of the above. Correct answer is C, that is NCTE. Question number 19. The law of acceleration is also known as A. law of inertia, B. law of movement, C. law of momentum, D. Boyle's law, E. none of the above. Right answer is C. law of momentum. Question number 20. Which nutrient is essential for supplying the body with energy? A. carbohydrates, B. B. Amino acids, C. Minerals, D. Proteins, E. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Carbohydrates. Question number 21. Pulses are a good source of A. Carbohydrates, B. Protein, C. Fats, D. Vitamins, E. None of the above. Right answer is B. Proteins. Question number 22. Scoliosis is a postural deformity related with A. Foot, B. Leg, C. Neck region, D. Vertebral column, E. None of the above. Correct answer is vertebral column. Question number 23. The square of standard deviation is called A. Mean deviation, B. Quartile range, C. Interquartile range, D. Variance, E. None of the above. Right answer is D. Variance. Question number 24. When did the UN General Assembly announce 21st June as the International Yoga Day? A. 21st June 2014, B. 11th December 2014, C. 11th June 2014, D. 11th May 2014, E. None of the above. Right answer is B. 11th December 2014. Question number 25. The mean, which stands for relative importance of the different item, is A. Arithmetic mean, B. Weighted mean, C. Geometric mean, D. Harmonic mean, E. None of the above. Right answer is weighted mean. Question number 26. Which type of yoga focuses primarily on exercise and physical techniques? A. Raja Yoga, B. Jnana Yoga, C. Hatha Yoga, D. Surya Namaskar, E. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Hatha Yoga. Question number 27. The main purpose of research in education is it to increase social status of individual, B. increase job prospects of individual, C. helps in the moral growth of an individual, D. help the candidate become an eminent educationist, E. none of the above. Right answer is D. help the candidate become an eminent educationist. Question number 28. In which activity lactic acid system is activated? A. 100-meter run, B. 400-meter run, C. 10,000-meter run, D. 20 kilometers walk, E. none of the above. Right answer is A. 100-meter run. Question number 29. Random sampling is helpful as it is A. reasonably accurate, B. free from personal biases, C. an economical method of data collection, D. all of the above, E. none of the above. Right answer is D. all of the above. Question number 30. Parabola is A. the path of an object projected into free air, B. path of an object formed with air resistance, C. path of the object falling vertically down, D. all of the above, E. none of the above. Right answer is A. path of an object projected into air. Question number 31. Which of the following is not a method to ascertain whether two variables are correlated or not? A. concurrent deviation method, B. method of least squares, C. scatter diagram method, D. Lon's method. Correct answer is D. Lon's curve. Question number 32. Movements possible in condyloid joints are A. Flexion and extension, B. Circumduction only, C. Flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, D. Flexion, extension, abduction, adduction and circumduction, E. None of the above. Correct answer is D. Flexion, extension, abduction, adduction and circumduction. Question number 33. Which one of the succeeding type of fats increases the chances of heart disease due to increase in the amount of cholesterol in the blood? A. Saturated fat, B. Monounsaturated fat, C. Polyunsaturated fat, D. Polygastosaturates, E. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Saturated fats. Question number 34. Survey research studies A. Events, B. Processes, C. Populations, D. Circumstances, E. None of the above. Correct answer is D. Circumstances. Question number 35. Which structure within the cell produces endocyne triphoid? A. The mitochondria, B. The nucleus, C. Peripheral proteins, D. The protein molecule, E. None of the above. Right answer is A. The mitochondria. Question number 36. The blood vessel which brings blood to the heart from the lower part of the body is known as A. Inferior vena cava, B. Superior vena cava, C. Pulmonary vein, D. Pulmonary artery, E. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Inferior vena cava. Question number 37. Boxer muscles are A. Trapezius, B. Stenocoid mastoid, C. Abdominal, D. Deltoid, E. None of the above. Correct answer is D. Deltoid. Question number 38. Function of long bones in the body is to A. Give strength, B. Give protections, C. Act as a lever, D. Provide surface area for muscles attachment, E. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Give protection. Question number 39. How many chakras are in the human body? A3, B5, C7, D11, E. None of the above. Correct answer is C. 7. Question number 40. A person is suffering from high blood pressure. Avoid foods which are rich in A. Sodium, B. Iodine, C. Calcium, D. Iron, C. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Sodium. Question number 41. BMI of 29.2 signifies A. Underweight, B. Normal weight, C. Obesity class 1, D. Overweight, E. None of the above. Right answer is D. Overweight. Question number 42. Which one of the following mineral element is required for muscle contraction? A. Calcium, B. Iron, C. Sodium, D. Zinc, E. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Calcium. Question number 43. How many amino acids must be available in a healthy diet? A. 23 amino acids, B. 17 amino acids, C. C 9 amino acids, D 5 amino acids, E none of the above. Correct answer is C 9 amino acids. Question number 45. The basic functions of management are A. Planning and organization, B. Directing and program development, C. Personal management and financial management, D. All the above, E. None of the above. Correct answer is D. All the above. Question number 45. Our body requires vitamins and minerals since A. They give the body energy, B. They help to carry out metabolic reactions, C. They insulate the body organs, D. They prevent heating of the body, E. None of the above. Correct answer is B. They help to carry out metabolic reactions. Question number 46. Heterogeneous groups are classified into homogeneous group and then randomly sample is chosen, referred to A. Simple random sampling, B. Stratified random sampling, C. Systematic sampling, D. Multi-stage random sampling, E. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Stratified random sampling. Question number 47. Which of the following is a water-soluble vitamin and hence is required to be taken every day? A. Vitamin D, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin K, D. Vitamin A, E. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Vitamin C. Question number 48. The remote objective of physical education is A. Development of good human relation, B. Development of neuromuscular coordination, C. Development of physical fitness, D. Development of sports skills, E. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Development of good human relation. Question number 49. In order to pursue research, which of the following is a priority requirement? A. Developing a research design, B. Formulating a research question, C. Deciding about the data analysis procedure, D. Formulating a research hypothesis, E. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Formulating a research question. Question number 50 is a comprehension. So read the following passage and answer the questions below. Until recently, Japanese corporates have not been interested in using either local or foreign business schools for the development of their future executives. Their in-company program have sought the socialization of the newcomers, the younger the better. The training is highly specific and those who receive it have neither the capacity nor the incentive to quit. The prevailing belief is the management should be born out of the experience and many years of effort and not learned from educational institutions. A 1960s survey of Japanese senior executives confirmed that a majority 54% believe that management capabilities can be attained only on the job and not in universities. However, this view seems to be changing. The same survey revealed that even as the early 1960s, 37% of senior executives felt that the university should teach integrated professional management. So, question 51. From the option provided below, select the one which indicate the shortcoming of the in-company. A. It's too specific to capacitized or incentives to move to other avenues. B. It is obtained on the job, not in the educational institution / universities. C. It seeks socialization of the preferably young newcomers. D. It is obtained after years of experience / effort. E. None of the above. Correct answer is A. It is too specific to capacity of incentives to move to other avenues. Question number 52. Again with the same paragraph. Arrange the following statement in their logical order so as to read like an integer arguments. The socialization of the newcomer entailed hand-on experience and long effort. Second, Japanese corporate trust their own in-company training for their business executives. Third, it is widely believed that managerial capabilities can be built only on the job, not in the business schools. Fourth, a shortcoming of this process is that training is often too precise for wider application and greener gestures. So, option A 1, 2, 3 and 4, B 2, 3, 2, 1 and 4, C 2, 3, 1 and 4, D 2, 3, 4 and 1, E none of the above. Correct answer is C 2, 3, 1 and 4. Question number 53. Read the following statement carefully and state whether they are true or false. Japanese corporates had preferred their own in-company programs over business schools for the development of their future executives. However, there are signs that this has slowly begun to change. So, with the continuation paragraph, the third question, that is 53. A, statement I is true but statement 2 is false. B, statement I is false but statement 2 is true. C, statement I and 2 are both true. D, statement I and 2 are both false. E, none of the above. Right answer is C, statement I and 2 are both true. Question number 54. Until recently, Japanese corporates have not been interested in using either local or foreign businesses school for the development of the future executive. The above statement implies that the Japanese corporates are A, inclined towards some local or foreign business schools, B, hardly interested in the development of their future executives, C, no interest in trained business executives, D, gradually revising their view of business schools, E, none of the above. Correct answer is D, gradually revising their view of business schools. Question number, that is 55. From the option provided below, identify the one that is farthest in meaning to the term incentive as it is used in the passage. A, demotion, B, discouragement, C, deterrent, D, inducement, E, none of the above. Correct answer is C, that is deterrent. Question number 56. That is, Vijayasthamba is situated in A, Jaipur, B, Agra, C, Delhi, D, Chittor, E, none of the above. Right answer is D, Chittor. Question number 57. Washing soda is the common name for sodium carbonate, B, calcium bicarbonate, C, sodium bicarbonate, D, calcium carbonate, E, none of the above. Correct answer is A, sodium carbonate. Question number 58. The International Civil Aviation Day is being celebrated on which day? A, December 5, B, December 7, C, December 4, D, December 6, E, none of the above. Correct answer is B, December 7. Question number 59. Taj Patel became third bowler to take 10 wickets in an innings. He hails from which country? A. India, B. England, C. Sri Lanka, D. New Zealand, E. None of the above. Right answer is D. New Zealand. Question number 60. Cyclone Jawad, which has been in discussion, will hit Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal. Which country has named it? A. India, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Myanmar, D. Pakistan, E. None of the above. The right answer is B. Saudi Arabia. Question number 61. Where is the railway staff college located? A. Pune, B. Allahabad, C. Vadodara, D. Delhi, E. None of the above. Right answer is C. Vadodara. Question number 62. The world's first floating city is proposed to be developed in which country? A. Australia, B. New Zealand, C. France, D. South Korea, E. None of the above. Right answer is D. South Korea. Question number 63. Who is the new Twitter CEO? A. Nitesh Arora, B. George Kurian, C. Parag Agarwal, D. Sundar Pichai. E. None of the above. Right answer is Parag Agarwal. Question number 64. Which nation has announced the boycott of 2022 Winter Olympics in Beijing? A. Japan, B. India, C. US, D. Germany, E. None of the above. Correct answer is C. US. Question number 65. The gas usually filled in the electric bulb is A. Nitrogen, B. Hydrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Oxygen, E. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Nitrogen. Question number 66. That is a question description. In each question is given a statement followed by three assumptions, number 1, 2 and 3. You have to consider assumptions and the following statement assumptions decide which of the assumption is implied in the statement and choose your answer accordingly. Statement: if you are intelligent, we are the right people for improving your performance. An advertisement of a coaching institute. Assumption: brilliant students prefer to join coaching classes. Coaching classes help the student to improve their performance. No other institute provides such coaching. So these are the implicant. A. Only 1 and 2 are implicate. B. Only 2 and 3rd are implicant. C. Only 1 and 3rd are implicant. D. All are implicant. E. None of the above. Right answer is A. Only 1 and 2 are implicant. Question number 67. Choose a pair that best represent a similar relationship to one expressed in the original pair of words. A. Slapstick, that is laughter. A. Genre mystery. B. Satire anger. C. Mimicry tears. D. Horror fears. E. None of the above. Right pair the best represent is D. Option is horror fears. Question number 68. That is, find the statement that must be true according to the given information. Rajiv is 12-year-old. For 3 years he has been asking his parents for a dog. His parents have told him that they believe a dog would not be happy in an apartment. but they have given him permission to have a bird. Rajiv has not yet decided what kind of bird he would like to have. A. Rajiv parents like birds better than they like dogs. Rajiv does not like birds. Rajiv and her parents live in an apartment. D. Rajiv and her parents would like to move. E. None of the above. Right answer is C. Rajiv and her parents live in apartment. Question number 69. Which word does not belong with the others? A. Guitar, B. Flute, C. Violin, D. cello, E. None of the above. Right answer is B. Flute. Question number 70. R is to row board as foot is to A. running, B. sneaker, C. skateboard, D. jumping, E. none of the above. Right answer is C. skateboard. Question number 71. Look at the series 0.5, 15, 0.3, dash, 1.2, 2.4. What number should fill the blank? A. 4.8, B. 0.006, C. 0.6, D. 0.9, E. none of the above. Right answer is C. 0.6. Question number 72. Find out the alternate figure which contains figure x as its part. So this is a figure that is x against 1, 2, 3 and 4. So A1, B2, C3, D4, E none of the above. Correct answer is D4. This is the alternate figure. Question number 73. Select a figure from the amongst the answer figure which will continue the same series as established by the 5 problem figures. This is the 5 problem figures, that is the A, B, C, D, E, E. Answer figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A1, B2, C3, D4, E none of the above. Correct answer is B. That is 2. Question number 74. Look at the series 664, 332, 340, 170-89. What number should fill the blank? A. 85, B. 97, C. 109, D. 178, E none of the above. Correct answer is D. 178. Question number 75. You have to decide which of the arguments is a strong argument and which is a weak argument. Statement. Should all the drugs patented and manufactured in Western country be first try out a sample basis before giving license for sale to general public in India? Argument. Yes, many such drugs require different doses and duration of for Indian population, hence it is necessary. No, this is just for feasible and hence cannot be implemented. A. Only argument is strong. B. Only argument 2 is strong. First, that is only argument 1 is strong. B. Only argument 2 is strong. C. Either 1 or 2 is strong. D. Neither 1 nor 2 is strong. E. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Only argument 1 is strong. So thank you very much for watching the 75 multiple choice question from Goa Public Service Commission, recruited for College Director Physical Education.